Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I am going to update you about the current situation in Thailand. Now Thailand tourism sector continues to safely and slowly reopen, welcoming international travelers to the country. With special tourist initiatives, the Royal Thai government recently lifted restrictions on special tourist visa, which allows entry for tourists from any country or territory worldwide. Prior to this, STB holders were only allowed from low-risk countries. The STB offers visitors an initial 90-day visa with 2 extensions. Thailand also offers a single entry tourist visa that permits stays of up to 60 days, may be extended once for an additional 30 days. In addition, visa exemptions have been reactivated for eligible passport holders of 56 countries and territories for a stay between 30 and 90 days. The validity of the certificates of entry was extended to more than 72 hours in case of flight delays or missed connection flights. Government of the Tourism Authority of Thailand said, "We recommended that all potential visitors who want to enter Thailand contact the nearest Thai embassy regarding all the necessary visa requirements in the respective countries as the situation continues to evolve." In addition to other requirements, 14 days mandatory quarantine upon arrival remains in place and applies equally to both Thai nationals and foreign visitors. Tourism Authority of Thailand created a variety of platforms and support mechanism to ease of entry, while not compromising public to their population at large. This include the collaboration with the Thai Tourism Promotions and Initiatives. Tourism Authority of Thailand introduced the Amazing Thailand Safety and Health Administration certification in collaboration with the public and private sector partners to help build confidence among Thai and foreign tourists. Friends, I am getting a lots of supports from my viewers and lovely subscribers. I will be updating you about the current situation in Thailand. After this pandemic situation, Thailand is suffering a lot in tourism sector. I hope that everything will be normalized like before. I must tell you one thing, that most of the touristic places like Phuket, Bangkok, Pattaya and Koh Samui, Koh Phangan are becoming ghost town. It is really unacceptable for us. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe this channel for further notification. Thank you, friends.